Hello children, I hope you all are fine and happy. In this video, I am going to brief you work done from 1st August to 14 August for subject English class LKG. Today, I am going to tell a story. The name of the story is Eat Healthy and Be Happy. In this story, you have to look for the words. Start with the phonic sound of alphabet A, B, B, C, K, D, D and E, F. You have to listen carefully the story and find out the words with alphabet A, B, C, D and E. This is and Bob. They are good friends. And have a pet cat named Clara. Bob have a pet named Dan. There is a beautiful garden near Anne's house. There is an apple tree in the garden. On that a crow has built a nest. In that nest there are 4 eggs. In that garden there are so many daisy flowers. And Bob likes to play cricket. Do you know what we used to play cricket? Yes, bat and ball. And likes to eat banana. Banana makes her bones strong. Bob likes to eat carrot. That makes him healthy. So they both are healthy and happy. Now, have you find out the words? Yes, let's see. The words were and Bob, cat, Clara, dog, Dan, beautiful, apple, black crow, eggs, bat, ball, cricket, banana and carrot. Now in P1 notebook on date 5.8.20, revision of capital A, small a to capital E, small e done. First we will start with the small alphabets. Make a curve, go up and come down straight, that is small a. Then for small b, make a straight line, go up and right curve. Small b, what comes after b? Yes, C. Make a left curve within the blue line, that is small c. Again after C, small d, left curve, go up and come down straight. Small d, small e, make a slipping line, go up, touch the blue line and make left curve, that is small e. This way you have to write in the P book. For capital A to E, slanting line, left slant and then right slanting line and slipping line on the first blue line. That is capital A, capital B, standing line, right curve, again one right curve touching the blue line, capital B, capital C, left curve from red line to blue line. Then capital D, standing line and right curve from red line to blue line. Capital D, capital E, standing line, one slipping line on the red line, then a short slipping line on the first blue line and the last slipping line on the last blue line. This way you will do the work in P book A to E. Now in E1 notebook we will do draw pictures. On date 6.8.20, draw pictures alphabet A to D done. Alphabet A says arrow. We will draw the picture of arrow. Dots are given. Join the dots. Make a standing line within the blue line. Then make slipping line on the blue line, touching the dot. Then make a standing line from the red line to blue line. Then from blue line to the bottom red line. There is a dot given in the middle. Start from that dot, make a slanting line up to the bottom blue red line. Then from that same dot make a slanting line to the top red line. This is A says arrow. Now B says Baba. We will draw ball. Make a circle, then make a curve, left curve and then right curve. That is Baba. B says Baba, ball. For C, C says cat. So make a semicircle. Then make a upper curve, then down curve touching the red line, then a small curve on the top. You can make curve inside the semicircle also. That is C says cat. Now for D says the drum. Make a standing line from red line to red line. Same way, red line to red line. Then make a sleeping line. Make it like a rectangle. Then inside this rectangle, make slanting line. Then again come down slanting line. One more slanting line, go up and touch the corner down. For the drumstick, make two slanting line like a cross and make a small circle on the edge like sticks. This is the stick of drum. D says we will learn opposite fat thin. Fat यानी मोटा, thin यानी पतला. A person or animal whose weight is more is fat, and a person or animal whose weight is less is thin. यानी किसी इंसान या एनिमल यानी जानवर का वेट ज़्यादा है तो वो मोटा यानी फैट, और किसी इंसान या जानवर का वेट कम है तो वो थिन है यानी पतला. This is a fat monkey. This is a thin monkey. This is a fat cat. This is a thin cat. This is a fat pig. This is a thin pig. मोटू पतलू. यस, आप लोग को सब जानते हैं ना मोटू पतलू को. मोटू यानी फैट, पतलू यानी थिन. वाई मोटू इज फैट? क्योंकि मोटू को समोसे बहुत पसंद है, समोसे. एंड पतलू क्यों थिन है? क्योंकि वो वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स खाता है. दैट्स वाई पतलू इज थिन. वो जंक फूड नहीं खाता, वो हेल्दी फूड खाता है. सी कालिया इज फैट क्योंकि कालिया को लड्डू बहुत पसंद है. और छोटा भीम में थिन कौन है? चिंकी. चिंकी इज थिन. सो अब आपको पता चल गया what is fat and what is thin. So we will move towards the exercise in spiral book. Now we will do exercise in spiral book for concept opposite fat thin on day 10.8.20 in spiral book page number 5, opposite fat thin, done. In this exercise, in the first exercise it is given circle the thin boy. So you have to circle the thin boy. So which boy is thin, the first one or the second one? Yes, the first boy is thin. Then in the next exercise it is given, put tick for fat and cross for thin. Tick for fat and cross for thin. So the lady is fat or the man is fat? Yes, the man is fat. So you will tick for fat and the lady is thin. So you will cross for thin. Now next it is given, color the fat boy blue and the thin boy yellow. So the first boy is fat, so you will do coloring in the picture of fat boy blue and the thin boy yellow. Thin boy yellow. You will finish the coloring properly. This way our exercise in the spiral book is done. Now it's story time. We will do one story. I will tell you a story of crow and the peacock who is happy. Once there was a crow who wishes to be colorful like other birds. एक क्रो था, उसकी क्या इच्छा थी? वो और सारे बर्ड्स की तरह, सब चिड़ियों की तरह कलरफुल, रंग बिरंगा दिखना चाहता था. He went to the parrot and shared his thoughts. वो पैरट के पास गया, पैरट तोता, और उसने अपनी इच्छा पैरट को बताई. But the parrot said, the peacock is the most beautiful bird, so talk to him. Then the crow went to the peacock and told him for his looks. पर पैरट ने क्या कहा? पिकॉक सबसे सुंदर बर्ड है, सो आप जाकर पिकॉक से ही बात करो. फिर क्रो, कौवा, पिकॉक के पास गया और पिकॉक को अपने बारे में सारी बात बताई. वो क्या सोच रहा है? उसकी सोच थी, मैं तो कैसा काला कौवा हूँ, कैसा रंग है मेरा, और आप कितने सुंदर हो. Then the peacock replied, you are the luckiest bird that have been never be caged in life, and we, because of beauty, our beauty stay caged, and you are always free. पिकॉक ने क्रो को बोला, तुम तो सबसे लकी हो, बहुत नसीब वाले हो कि तुम्हें कोई भी पिंजरे में बंद नहीं करता है. हमको तो हमारी सुंदरता की वजह से हम पिंजरे में कैद है, बंद है, और तुम आज़ाद हो. यू आर फ्री. फ्री मतलब आज़ाद. After listening to this, Crow realized his mistake and thanked God for making him like this and flew away happily. ये सुनने के बाद क्रो को एहसास हुआ उसकी गलती का और भगवान को थैंक किया, शुक्रिया किया उसे ऐसा बनाने के लिए, और वो वहाँ से खुशी खुशी उड़ गया। वो दुखी था ना, लेकिन जब उसे पता चला उसके बाद वो खुश हो गया। मोरल: never compare yourself to others. Be happy and in what you have and what you are. अपने आप को कभी भी किसी से कंपेयर नहीं करना है। हम जो है, जैसे है, उसी में ही खुश रहना सीखना चाहिए। सो व्हाट यू लर्न, यू विल नेवर कंपेयर योरसेल्फ। हमें कभी भी किसी का देखकर वो चीज़ लेने की और उसकी चाह कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए। Hello children, today we are going to visit an orchard. Orchard is फलों का बगीचा। Yes, ये फलों के बगीचे में पहले से ही कुछ पेड़ लगे हुए हैं फलों के। Alphabetical order, in alphabetical order, fruit trees are there. So today we are going to see a new tree in this orchard. Yes, this is a apple tree. Baba, banana plant. Kaka, cashew nut tree. काजू खाते हैं ना, यस, उसी का ट्री है, उसका फ्रूट है, एंड दैट इज द सीड, cashew nut. The dragon fruit tree. Elderly berries tree. And this is the new tree in this orchard, that is fig tree. अंजीर खाते हैं ना, that is fig. So this is the new tree. So today in our orchard a new tree and a new alphabet is added. That is alphabet F. Introduction of alphabet F. Capital F, small f. Letter F. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Letter F. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? You can see the capital F and small f is made of so many flowers. We can learn about the letter F. Let's talk about letter F. Let's talk about letter F. F says for flag. F says for fish. F says for family. F says for frog. F says for fork. Now we will learn some more words with letter F, alphabet F. These are some more words with alphabet F. Flower name, French marigold. Vegetable name, French beans. Fruit name, fig. And object name, flag. Animal name, fox. One place name, Faridabad. One country name, France. This is the flag of France. And the bird name, flamingo. Capital F, small f. F says for fly. F says for frog. F says for fan. F says for fox. F says for fish. F says for football. F says for fly, frog, fan, fox and football, fish. These are some more words to enhance your vocabulary with alphabet F. Capital F, you will make border and then fill it with coloring. Small f, make the border. While coloring, you will say the words also. F says for frog, F says for fan, F says for farmer, F says for family, F says for friends, F says for fox, F says for fruits, F says for flowers, F says for fingers, F says for fish, F says for fig, F says for French beans, F says for say the city name, Faridabad. Yes, this way you have to recall all the words while doing coloring and writing. Now let's see how to write capital F and small f. This is capital F, small f. First, make a standing line from red line to blue line, then make a sleeping line on the top red line, then another sleeping line on the first blue line. That is capital F. For small f, make a curve, standing line up to blue line, and then sleeping line on the first blue line. This is small f. In notebook, we are not making curve up to the bottom red line. We have to make standing line only. Now we will write in the workbook. Before we start to write, let us say the sound of F. Small f as in fish. Capital F as in fish. Small f as in flute. Capital F as in flute. Small f as in fairy. Capital F as in fairy. Now I will read out the story, but you have to identify the picture and say the word. Okay, what is the picture? Yes, it's fish. Saw a fairy and wished, oh dear, if in place of fins I had a fairy's wings, I would fly high from the blue sea to the open sky. What the fish wish? फिश क्या विश करती है कि मुझे फिन्स की जगह विंग्स होते तो फेरी की तरह, तो मैं उड़ के ऊपर आसमान में चली जाती, ब्लू सी से उड़ के सीधा आसमान पे. Now we will write small f. First, trace the dotted line, make a curve, then standing line and sleeping line on the first blue line. Again, one more time I am showing. Start from the dot, make a curve, touching the red line, then make a standing line up to the blue line, then sleeping line cutting the standing line on the first blue line. One more time. This is small f. Don't forget to say the words while writing. Now I will show you capital F. Make standing line, sleeping line on the top red line, a short sleeping line on the first blue line. Again, standing line, sleeping line on the top red line, one more sleeping line on the first blue line, but the second one will be shorter. As in E, we were making 3 lines, but for F you will make only 2 sleeping lines on the first red line and the first blue line. This way you will finish your classwork and homework. Same way you will do in the notebook also. In E1 notebook, on date 17.8.20, small f and capital F done in the notebook. Classwork, homework in E1 notebook. Now it's story time. Story of letter F. Two friends and the frogs. Frank and Frida are best friends. Fuffer, Frank and Fuffer, Frida are best friends. फ्रैंक और फ्रीडा बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. They are 5 years old. Fuffer 5 years old. वो 5 साल के हैं. You remember now, you have to focus. The words starts with letter F, alphabet F. They love playing Fuffer football on the Fuffer field. One day they heard a cry from the Fuffer farm. They go there and Fuffer find. एक दिन वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे खेतों में और उन्होंने कुछ आवाज़, रोने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी और वो वहाँ पर गए पता करने. 4 baby frogs crying. वहाँ पर तो 4 बेबी छोटे से फ्रॉग्स के बच्चे रो रहे थे. A fox is making a funny sound. वहाँ पर एक फॉक्स फनी साउंड बना रहा था, आवाज़ें निकाल रहा था अजीब अजीब. फ्रैंक ने Do not make noise here. Let the baby frogs sleep. फ्रैंक ने फॉक्स को बोला, यहाँ पे आवाज़ मत करो, बेबी फ्रॉग्स को सोने दो. Says Frank to the fox. The fox listened to him and goes away to the forest. Fox ने फ्रैंक की बात मान ली और वो फॉरेस्ट में चला गया. The baby frogs can sleep now. अब बेबी फ्रॉग्स आराम से सो सकते हैं. Now it's time to recall the word starts with alphabet F. Fuffer, Frank. Fuffer, Frida. Fuffer, friends. Fuffer, football. Fuffer, field. Fuffer, farm. Fuffer, frog. Fuffer, fox. Fuffer, forest. The